Hello everybody, my name is Francis FX Jr. and welcome to my YouTube channel once more. And I want to say a very big thank you to all those who keep subscribing to my YouTube channel and actually liking my videos and my content. It's really helpful. Well, I want to apologize foremost for not being consistent for about a week. I was busy doing one or two things like that, but it's all gonna be just gonna be okay soon. Okay, so a disclaimer: you will lose your 100% capital invested in forex if you do not do your due diligence. Forex is a very risky market, and also my contents are for educational purposes only. And do not trade without caution. Okay, follow the forex rule. Do not over leverage your account. So I'll be giving a video of forex rule later. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, so on the matter is at hand. Okay, so this is VIX 75. So on analysis, this is just a brief analysis. Okay, I can do this on a clear chart and you can see. So I just used this whole indicators to show you something. Well, on the clear chart, this is how the analysis will be on VIX 75 on a daily chart. Okay, this is how it will be. Sorry about that. This is how it will be on a chart. Okay, this is how it will be, just that. Then a little bit of support zones to clearly show that. Sorry. Okay, support zone and a resistance zone, which are very very important. These are zones that are really important because without these zones, I think we are lost in the markets because you can't get the structure right without knowing all the zones. Okay, sorry. Okay, these are clear zones. You can watch out for them, but draw them out first. You can see as these are zones that price this rejects. You can see my analysis is simple. Okay, very simple, not hard, and I can use this also to put here. Okay, so I know this a little bit messy, and don't worry, we'll get to the smaller time frame. I'll be explaining everything. You can see this is the support zone. This is the support. This is a recently leveled area, both for support and resistance is respected. This is resistance and this is resistance. So that is that. So I'll be going to a smaller time frame to make this analysis pure and clear to you guys that don't actually get it yet. So I'm using the 4-hour time frame for the lesser. Okay, so you can see it's clear to you that you can see all the zones are being respected. Okay, the zones I drew in are respected in as much as price play along it, but it is respected. You can see how the resistance, the support play out. Okay, these are nice areas. So let's remove all this. Let's remove all this so that you can see how it is. This how to just draw your support and resistance zone. Okay, so now I am adding a little bit of tool to this, which will enable you guys see this picture clear. So I'm adding an alligator indicator by default. You can see how the chart has changed. Okay, it's a little messy, but you'll get the whole point in due time. Okay, now on this you will know how to trade this whole. Let me put this straight here. Okay, let me leave it until I do my analysis. So in the other parts of my videos, you can see whenever there's a crossover below uh, the alligator, I tend to take my trade below, and whenever there's a cross above the alligator, I take my trade as a buy. sell. Okay, this for when the crossover is above, and this is for when the crossover is below. So in case you're doubting the strategy, I beg you not to, because it is sweet. Even on VIX stock and everything else, this indicator is sweet. Just sweet, 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 sweet in the middle. So here I'll be adding extra confirmation stuff to you guys so that you actually want to use it more. Okay, so I'm adding the 200 moving average to my chart, which shows me what to do and how I will do it. So in case you're finding a little bit hard for you to do your analysis and actually opting in a trade, so using this, you see a crossover here. You see a crossover that shows you a sell, right? A sell, but it hasn't broken this 200 moving average. So I urge you to wait a little bit for the crossover to happen and a retest, either a retest, but it surely is going down, because on the higher time frame, it's showing that it's kind of going down. Okay, so then analysis is when on the higher time frame, when price breaks this whole indicator plus alligator and moving average, which is the 200. Okay, when price breaks the both of them, it's a strong sell signal. It's a strong sell signal that it will take a bit time to reverse, but I urge you to wait for this. But if you want to get into an early entry, just go about to the 4-hour time frame. Go to the 4-hour time frame. You can see how it is already. Okay, so you can take your trade at this point. Okay, just as simple as that, and you're in the trade for a very long time. So this is just for educational purposes only. So this, okay, I choose sell. I'm in the trade already. Okay, I'm in trade already, so let's just give it some time, and you can see already I'm in profit. That's simple. I'm in profit already. Seriously, I'm in profit already. So I can just cash out when it gets to 100. Okay, simple. It's not even up to a minute. Seriously, it's not even up to a minute. Though this is a demo account. Okay, this is a demo account. It's just that simple. So just wait for your confirmation. Okay, let me take this trade again so that you guys can see it. But I'm leaving this to run for a period of today, tomorrow. Man, what's wrong with my network? Okay, it seems like it doesn't want to take my trade again. So this is just it. This is what I do. I have series of. But just use this as a motivation and do your back testing. Whenever you see a crossover, wait. Whenever I see a crossover on the alligator, wait for the confirmation to cross above the 200 moving average. Then place your trade at the close of the candle. Then you can see how the movement was. Okay. Whenever I see the cross over the below the alligator, wait for the confirmation. So the confirmation of this, because this is just an analysis, when the confirmation is ready, is that you can see the crossover here. Just wait for price to break below this point to take a trade for a more secure trade. Okay, because the 200 moving average serves as a long terminal for trades. So whenever it crosses that point, take your trades. I'm not giving you this trading tip, this for educational purposes. I'm just sharing this for educational purposes only. Do your due diligence and you can opt in your trade. So it's just that. Thank you very much. Bye.